If you're experiencing a verification pending status on your Stockman bank account, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your email. Look for any emails from Stockman Bank regarding your account verification. They may have sent instructions or requested additional information to complete the process. Step 2. Gather required documents. Prepare any necessary documents that may be needed for verification. This could include identification, proof of address, or other relevant information. Step 3. Contact customer support. Reach out to Stockman Bank's customer support for assistance. Explain your situation and ask for guidance on how to expedite the verification process. Step 4. Submit additional information. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Monitor your account. After submitting the required information, keep an eye on your account status. Check your email and online banking regularly for updates on your verification status. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending issue efficiently. If problems persist, continue to communicate with customer support for further assistance.